I'm Jessica Gregory and this is my EcoBuzz. Welcome to Nature Storytime. In the spring, there is so much happening and so many plants and animals come alive. This is especially true for birds as they build their nests and prepare for raising their families. Because of this, the book I want to share with you today is called Have You Heard the Nesting Bird by Rita Gray. What I like about this book is that it uses mnemonics, which means that it puts words to common bird songs I hear outside, and it makes them easier to remember. So, put on your listening ears and let's read Have You Heard the Nesting Bird together. Morning doves take their morning stroll. Coo, coo, coo. Have you heard that one before? I bet a lot of these songs will be recognized by you. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Starling sings from a metal pole. Whistly wee tree. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin nesting up there. Sparrow makes a simple jingle. Chittick, chittick. Swallow slides from under a shingle. Ha ha, chit chit chit. Ha ha, twitter twit. Crow calls out, come meet and mingle. Caw, 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 caw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Cheer, 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 birdie, birdie, birdie. Chickadee is an acrobat. Chickadee-dee-dee. I like that one. It sounds like it's saying its name. Chickadee. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. Meow, meow. But have you heard the nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. Jay, 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 jay. Whippoorwill has his favorite trill. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. Eolay, eolay. But have you heard the nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Even through the night. See the nesting bird up in the tree? Wait, what's that? Tapping, cracking. Something made a little sound, breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around, ruffling, shuffling. What do you think is happening? The bird flew off with something blue, cheeping, peeping. Look, another robin is coming too. Who do you think that one is? The baby birds are here. I hope you enjoyed that story. If you want to know more about nesting birds, birds in general, or how you can be friendly to birds in the spring, follow the links that I've posted along with this video. See you next week for another Nature Story Time. Happy naturing!